Hello friends, welcome to our education. Today we will learn about a or anchor tag in HTML. So let's start. A or anchor tag defines a hyperlink which is used to link from a one page to another page, section, ID, frame. For example, it can be used to link the web pages of the same website or some external web pages on the internet. Now let's discuss some common attributes spotted by a or anchor tag. The very first and the most common attribute is href attribute. Href stands for Hypertext Reference, which is used to give the URL of the page the link goes to. The next is hreflang. It defines the language code of the target URL. Next is target attribute. It specifies whether to open the target URL like in the same frame, in new tab or in new window. And download attribute specifies that the target will be downloaded when the link is clicked by the user. Type attribute defines the media type of the target URL like text, HTML, CSS or PDF, whatever it is. A or anchor tag also supports global and event attribute. We will discuss them later. Now let's do practical of anchor tag. First we will open Notepad++ and type. We will title it as learn a tag. Now type a tag href equal to image slash logo.jpg. Open it. Now close the a tag. Save it. I will save it in web designing classes. Name it as index.html. Now open this Google Chrome. Now when we click on open it, the logo file will be shown. Now the other href value we can put are mail to rainstitute@gmail.com. It is used to link the email. Now save it and refresh it in Google Chrome. It will open the default mailing application like Microsoft Outlook. Now close it. And one more thing we can do with href telephone number. We will type tel +91 the country code of India and any number. Now save it and refresh. It will ask for a call. We can also link to the external web pages like http. Save it. Click google.com will be open. Now let's see other attributes like hreflang. As we know, it specifies the language of the target URL, and we know google.com is in English, so we will specify en for English. Save it. We can also give other language code such as French, German. Now we will cut it. Next is type attribute. It's used to specify the type of target URL like text or whatever it is. Now let me change it. We will specify it as text slash HTML as it is a HTML file. Save it, refresh it, and it is okay. We can also specify as text as CSS or slash RTF and XML for XML format. Now we will cut it, and the download attribute we can type only download and it will work only if you upload the file on the web server. So I am only showing how to write this code. We can just write download. It will download the file automatically when the link is clicked, or we can also specify the file name when it is downloaded. So we write download equal new HTML file. So when I click on the link, it will be downloaded, named as new HTML file, and the extension name will be given as per the extension name of the original file. Now we will see one of the most important attribute of anchor tag, that is target attribute. We can specify different value like blank, parent, self, scope, and we can also give the frame name to be targeted. Now we will try self attribute value, change it as image, logo, jpg. Self target attribute value specify the link will be loaded in the same tab. Now we will try blank. It will load the link in new tab, just like this. So now the other attribute value are parent and top. For these we will need one more file with the frame tag. So we create this, title it as frame1, save it as frame1, open it. Now it is like this. Now we will create one more file to understand it better. Frame2. We will also give it width 400 pixel and height 400. File setting 50 px. Save it. Name it as frame2.html. Now open it. Now see, when we click on open it link, it will be loaded in the new tab. Now see it as self, save it, and when we click on open it, it will be loaded in the same frame. And if we change it from self to parent, it will be loaded in the parent frame. Now you can see the second frame inside the first frame is not there, and it is loaded in the parent frame. And third blank, save it, it will be loaded in the new tab. Now we will try top attribute value. Refresh it. Now it will be loaded in the top of any element like no frame. Friends, that's all for today's session. Hope you liked the video and find it informative. Do stay tuned for more such videos.